Hello, my quilting friends. My name is Leah Day, and I am quilting Matrix today on my Singer Heavy Duty. We're going to start by quilting from corner to corner with a simple wiggly line. Travel stitch along the edge of your quilting space, and then you're going to echo that first line. In this case, I'm echoing about a half an inch away, just so it's nice and soft. This is going to be great for a bed quilt. You could go with wider lines if you wanted to. You want it to be soft, or if you want the lines to be closer together just for a punch of texture, it's a really versatile design. Back and forth echoes are going to fill all the way to that corner, and this is a great choice for filling in blocks because it's so easy to quilt. You're going to stitch from corner to corner again with another wiggly line. Super easy, and you can see with my open toe hopping foot, this is a darning foot. It is so easy to see your stitching, and that wide base really allows you to space out those lines nicely. So here I'm doing basically the exact same thing. It's kind of wash and repeat, diagonal line corner to corner, and then filling out all the way to the right with more wiggly lines evenly spaced apart. Once you get that stitched, go on ahead and rotate again, and you can see now I'm echoing the opposite side of that diagonal line that we started with. So it's so easy and progressive, and it fills in blocks so fast. What I love about Matrix is it has that simple wiggly grid, and you could also quilt this with your walking foot. So if you find free motion quilting intimidating or just challenging, understand you can attach your walking foot and quilt this with that style of quilting too. You could also attach a ruler foot and quilt with rulers. The super slide or mini slide rulers that I offer would also be a great choice to guide this design if you want the designs just absolutely perfectly spaced with no with no kind of natural variant in how those wiggles kind of come out on the quilt. So that's always open to you. You could do this design with any style of quilting. So here on a quilting frame, I'm also using a Singer Heavy Duty here. I am actually quilting on a frame, and I'm just using the start stop button to control the machine, and then I'm just very carefully wiggling that design in. Again, nice large scale quilting, and it worked there great too. So come find more free motion quilting designs at leahday.com/365 and check out the new edition of the book, 365 Free Motion Quilting Designs. You can stitch one of these a day with me, and you'll be able to create the beautiful free motion quilting sampler quilt, the ultimate quilting challenge. Come and find it all at leahday.com/365. Until next time, let's go quilt.